first of all, I prep my skin with the Thin Lizzy 5-in-1 facial solution. Now I'm going to start with the Thin Lizzy concealer cream. I absolutely love this because it gives me a full coverage underneath my eyes, so when I'm a bit tired, this works a treat. This shade is Minx. This concealer is so smooth and creamy. I also add it to my nose and just on my forehead. This is where I lose a lot of my makeup, so I like to just add it to these areas. I absolutely love the formula behind this product. It has a combination of refined beeswax, ginger extract and chamomile, which makes it safe for sensitive skin. Now I'm just touching up the last little areas that I want to last all day before applying the amazing Flawless Liquid Foundation. This shade is Drama Queen. And honestly, I am not being a drama queen, but oh my goodness, this is the most amazing foundation I have ever worn. This complements the concealer so well. It is so creamy and gives me such good coverage, which is a must for me because I keep my makeup on all day and it literally lasts from morning till night and still looks the same from when I put it on that morning. When I apply this, it instantly hydrates my skin and feels so light on my face. There's nothing worse than having a full face of makeup that feels so heavy and clunky, but with this, it is absolutely flawless and gives you a natural yet radiant finish, and you will be glowing all day long. Now I'm just blending the foundation into my jawline and down my neck, so I have one consistent color. Depending on what I'm wearing for that day, I might go down to my chest. Now I'm going to apply the Luminous Light Highlighter Trio. These 3 tones are amazing. It depends on how you want to do your makeup, if you're going out for an event, if you're doing your everyday makeup. Today I'm applying the pearl color on the top of my nose and my higher cheekbone. I'm using the rose gold on my eyelid today. I love to use highlighter for an everyday look. It makes it pop. Now this is an absolute game changer. This is by far my favorite product and favorite mascara I have ever used. This is a Max Lash 3D Fiber Lash Mascara, and wow, I cannot tell you how obsessed I am with this product. First, you prime your lashes with the application gel, then apply the 3D Lash Fiber extensions, and then seal your lashes with the application gel. Trust me when I say, when you try this, you will never go back to a normal mascara again. This is game changing. Now to finish my look today, I'm using the Velvet Lip Cream in the shade Sugar Plum. Simply click the base of the lip cream to control how much coverage you want. Here I'm just dabbing my lips because I'm going for an everyday look. If you do want more coverage, all you have to do is click the base of the lip cream. What I love about this product is that it locks in all the moisture, so it keeps a lasting color and you don't have to keep reapplying all day. All I can say is I am Team Thin Lizzy.